Sh Touqeer Ansari's professional profile, or performer, that clearly explains who he is, why his work is different, and how it serves all of mankind, especially English-speaking Muslims in the West. Performer profile of Sh Touqeer Ansari, founder of QuranExplains.com, author of 94+ books, 600+ videos, and global dawah educator. Sh Touqeer Ansari is the first person in the world to build an entire body of English literature focused on helping Muslims living in Western societies understand Allah, Tawheed, and Shaitan, not just through rituals or translations, but through deep, logical, scientific, and intellectual exploration of divine truth. Unlike most materials available today, which focus only on ritual instruction or Quran translations, his books and videos teach how to understand Allah, who He is, how to build Allah consciousness, and how to worship with deep awareness, not mechanical practice. How to understand Satan, using science, psychology, and logic, proving that Satan doesn't force sin, only beautifies it. Don't blame Satan, blame yourself. What to reject and what to accept from society, helping Muslims distinguish truth from deception, even while living in secular modern systems. How to live Islam in the West, applying Islam with understanding, not blind tradition. His message is especially vital for English-speaking Muslims in the USA, Canada, UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, and Southeast Asia, like Malaysia and Singapore, where most Islamic content is either imported, mistranslated, or disconnected from the modern intellectual experience. Every article, episode, and book written by Sh Touqeer Ansari is designed to convince mankind toward Allah using clear logic, spiritual depth, and real-world evidence, inviting people of all faiths to understand how God is supposed to be. He is not promoting himself. He is promoting Allah, his final messenger, and the message of truth for all mankind, through a language and mindset the modern world can understand. If you are serious about truth, if you are tired of confusion, rituals without meaning, and shallow faith, then study the work of Sh Touqeer Ansari. It's not about a new religion, it's about the original message, purified, clarified, and delivered for this age. Learn more at QuranExplains.com. Follow on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Explore 94+ books on Amazon. Message for speaking, collaboration, or to host live education sessions.